Good morning to all of you. So yesterday we were talking about two concepts, growth and development. So as we know, we have so many already existing indexes that can measure growth, but there were no index to measure development. So a gentleman named Dr. Mehboob ul Haq from Pakistan, he initially contributed in this field. He focused on enlarging people's choice. So what do you understand by enlarging people's choice? Can anyone tell? What is your name? Your name. Muskan, come here. Fast. Here. So you are in class 12th. Muskan is in class 12th. So what would you like to become after graduation? Look in camera. What would you like to become after graduation?
First I try civil service papers for the UPSC.
She can go to civil services. She can go to provincial civil services. She can go to defense. She can pursue her higher studies, go for UGC NET. She has so many choices. Okay, Muskan, tell me, if you were not educated, in that case, could you have the same number of options? No. If she was not educated, she could not, or she didn't had this much amount of options. Okay, sit down. It means we can say education increases our options. If you are educated, you can make many options in your career. So first thing which is important to enlarge people's choice is education. If a person is educated, he can pursue so many fields, including civil services, his own business, his or her own business. Second, last bench, stand up. What is your name? Tarun, come here. Fast. Fast. Okay. Tarun is a very good kabaddi player. Come here. He is a very good kabaddi player. Listen, last. Okay, tell me, is it important? क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि स्क्वाश में भी अच्छा होता? स्क्वाश इज ऑल्सो गेम. ये टेनिस में भी अच्छे हो सकते थे. लॉन टेनिस, टेबल टेनिस, स्क्वाश, बेसबॉल. लेकिन वो चीज ये कभी ट्राई ही नहीं कर पाए. रीजन, लैक ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. बिकॉज योर विलेज या आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट does not have enough infrastructure so that he could explore his talent. The infrastructure that is required for those particular games. So he has limited choices. कबड्डी खेल सकते हैं, कुश्ती खेल सकते हैं. He has limited choices because of lack of infrastructure. ठीक है? So infrastructure also provide us more and more opportunities. A person can explore more and more talent that he can. Okay, thank you. Clap for him. Fine. So second is infrastructure. So education increases our choice. Second, infrastructure increases our choice. Third, what is your name? अरमान. आ जाओ जल्दी, फास्ट. बैठो. देखो, अरमान हैज अ वेरी चीयरफुल पर्सनैलिटी. हंसमुख चेहरा। देखो, अच्छा अरमान लिसन, आपसे एक परमिशन ले रहा हूं, आपके साथ मजाक कर सकते हैं? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं। देखो, मजाक करना एक बात है और मजाक को अपने ऊपर सहना ये भी अपने आप में एक आर्ट है। इट इज एन आर्ट इन इटसेल्फ। तो मजाक कर सकते हैं ना? देखो, अरमान को बहुत सारे गेम पसंद हो सकते हैं, क्रिकेट, कबड्डी, खो खो, है ना? लिसन, अरमान को बहुत सारे खेल पसंद हो सकते हैं, पर क्या अरमान ये सारे गेम खेल सकता है? अब देखो, ध्यान से सुनो। क्रिकेट, कबड्डी, खो खो, इट नीड्स फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। तो अगर अरमान का वजन 20 किलो कम होता तो अरमान के पास ये सारी चॉइसेस थी। अरमान हैड ऑल दिस चॉइसेस। अभी अरमान के पास क्या चॉइस है?
सारी चॉइसेस है अपनी।
अभी अभी अरमान के पास चॉइस है लूडो, सांप सीढ़ी, चेस भी है। चेस भी है, लेकिन चेस के लिए भी
इतना वो ना हो सर भाई।
चलो चलो शाबाश। ओके, क्लैप फॉर हिम टू। लिसन, बस हो गया हो गया। तो थर्ड थिंग, हेल्थ, education, infrastructure and health. All these things are important to increase our choices, to enhance our choices. So Dr. Mehboob ul Haq focused on choices, health, education, and a meaningful life. What do you understand by meaningful life? Meaningful life means a purposeful life. It means you should have a target. You should have an aim in your life. Second, respect for elders. Respect for elders, a target, a happy life. You should be happy whatever you are doing. It means you are pursuing or living a meaningful life. After him, another gentleman came. His name was Amartya Sen. His focus was on freedom. Listen, it doesn't matter how much choices do you have. आपके पास कितनी choices हैं ये मैटर नहीं करता, unless and until you have freedom to practice those choices. आपके पास आजादी भी होनी चाहिए कि आप उन choices का फायदा उठा सको। आप में से कितनी लड़कियां हैं जिन्होंने कभी अपने मन में सोचा है कि हमें मॉडलिंग करनी है? मॉडलिंग, रैंप वॉक, है ना? लेकिन क्या आपके पास चॉइस नहीं है? वी हैव अकेडमीज इन रोहतक। रोहतक के अंदर जरूर कोई ना कोई ऐसी जगह होगी, आई बिलीव, आई डोंट नो बट आई बिलीव, जरूर होगी जो आपको मॉडलिंग सिखा सकती होगी। लेकिन आज के टाइम में कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारी मानसिकता है, वी डू नॉट हैव फ्रीडम टू प्रैक्टिस दैट चॉइस। हो सकता है आप में से किसी में टैलेंट हो बहुत अच्छा मॉडल बनने का, लेकिन आप उस तरफ जाओगे ही नहीं ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ फ्रीडम। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा फ्रीडम बिल्कुल नहीं है, बट देयर इज लैक ऑफ फ्रीडम। So Amartya Sen focused on freedom. He said that there should be freedom to exercise या फिर to practice the choices we have. So Amartya Sen and Mehboob ul Haq both made an index called HDI. It is called Human Development Index. It tends to measure the development of a society, of a nation. So there are three major criteria that it takes into account, that are health, education, and third is access to resources. So in health, to measure health of a society, the criteria they used is life expectancy. Okay, so period is over. We will continue from here tomorrow. Thank you.